Next mini lesson we have here is on moles. Moles are a counting unit created by Amedeo Avogadro, and his purpose was that atoms were so small that we would not be able to measure them individually. Today we can, but the technology still isn't available in a general classroom for us to even measure them there. So we created the mole to put a group of them together, and by making a large enough group, we were able to weigh it on scales and things that we have in general classrooms. The whole premise of the mole is based on a carbon-12 atom, that one atom of carbon-12 has a mass of 12 AMUs, or 12 grams per mole. Up here we have our triangle. Most popular document that I ever hand out as a teacher is this document, this mole triangle. Now it's available to you online. It has 6 different lines, 3 different points. Moles, atoms of elements, and mass in grams. And being able to convert between any one of these 3 will help you. We know that to go from a number of moles to a number of atoms, there is a number called 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd pieces in a mole of anything. Now, when we go through a class, we talk about a mole of donuts, a mole of marbles, a mole of grass, a mole of sand. We can have things that can be counted in moles other than atoms, but atoms is what the unit was designed for. So that is one way to do it. The second piece we have here is taking the number of pieces and then converting it to grams. Now your periodic table is very useful in this because you'll use that number of the mole, but then you'll also use the molar mass directly from the periodic table's mass right on the table. Calculators are extremely useful at this point because all you have to do, we call this plug and chug. You just simply take the pieces that you need to get it done. The final piece to the triangle, mass of elements in grams. Once again, periodic table. Okay, periodic table. I hate to oversimplify this, but if you use this triangle and use your periodic tables, you should be able to simply convert between moles, atoms, and grams of elements.